So in our previous lecture of CG, we studied some terms like pixel. So modeling, rendering, animation, these are the applications of CG, computer graphics. We use CG in mobile phone, popular spots such as airport, ATM, and air music concerts. We also studied some terms: pixel resolution, PPI, aspect ratio, and frame buffer. So every information about the image is stored in frame buffer. So we studied pixel. Pixel made up of three components: red, green, and blue. Also we studied this PPT in previous lecture. Now display adapters. In display adapters, we studied video adapter. What is video adapter or display adapter? Is an integrated circuit card. मतलब ग्राफिक्स रन करने के लिए आपको ग्राफिक्स ये जो है वीडियो अडेप्टर इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट कार्ड होना चाहिए in your computer, which provides digital to analog conversion. Okay, so what are the characteristics of display adapter? That is resolution, color depth, refresh rate, and acceleration. So RCRA. Okay, these are the characteristics of display adapters. ठीक है, सबका अपना अपना एक तरीका होता है मेमोराइज करने का कोई भी चीज. सो दीज आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ डिस्प्ले अडेप्टर. आप ऐसे फर्स्ट लेटर से भी आप इसको याद रख सकते हैं. C for color, second R for refresh rate, and A for acceleration. So RCRA. These are the characteristics. Resolution क्या होता है? Horizontal into vertical. Okay, it is a pair of numbers that give the number of dots on a horizontal line and number of such vertical lines, width into height. एक उसके विड्थ पे कितने सारे पिक्सेल्स हैं और वर्टिकल लाइंस पे कितने सारे पिक्सेल्स है, उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन. कलर डेप्थ ये भी हम लोगों ने देखा था. देन रिफ्रेश रेट मतलब इट इज अ स्पीड by which we can draw a particular dot on the screen. That is the speed. Refresh rate is nothing but. Then there are two modes we studied in computer graphics. That is text mode, graphics mode. Text mode and graphics mode. So in text mode there are rows and columns, and in graphics mode it is a array of pixel. You can see this dot 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 on the screen vertically. So this is the graphics mode function. Sorry, graphics mode. Graphics mode functions are different that we studied. These are nothing but then line, close graph, init graph, line, close graph, and restore mode. So these functions are graphics mode functions. Okay, these are the graphics mode functions. यहाँ ये भी हो चुका था. What is GD? That is it is a graphics driver. And what is GM? That is the graphics mode. ठीक है, ये functions है. These are the graphics functions. Graphic mode, then restore mode. Also, we studied aspect ratio. Aspect ratio means that is 8 divided by 6 means width upon height. ये भी हो चुका था. डिस्प्ले डिवाइसेस, ये हम लोगों ने लास्ट लेक्चर में एंड ऑफ द लेक्चर लिया था. डिस्प्ले डिवाइसेस. Okay, what are the display devices? Again, there is a list of display devices. Okay, six display devices mentioned in your book. Okay, so video display devices, raster graphic display or raster scan display, then plotters, storage tubes, plasma panel. तो इसको भी आप अपने अपने तरीके से मेमोराइज कर सकते हो. P, then DPV. ओके, सो फर्स्ट लेटर से याद रखो या कैसे? वीडियो डिस्प्ले डिवाइसेस. इसमें वीडियो डिस्प्ले डिवाइसेस में हम लोगों ने क्या स्टार्ट किया था? टाइप्स ऑफ वीडियो मॉनिटर्स. There are two types of video monitor. First is monochrome display monitor. Okay, CRT, monochrome display monitor, and second is color display monitor. In display device, our first type is video display device. So there are two types of these video monitor. Let us first see the monochrome display monitor. Monochrome display monitor. Okay. So this is the cathode ray tube, or we can say it is a chrome display monitor. It mainly consists of cathode ray tube along with related circuits. Okay. So this is the plug. Okay, this is the heater, and then outer side is cathode, and these are the grids: focusing anode, accelerating anode. Horizontal deflection plate is there. This horizontal deflection plate is also present at the end from this left side, or we can say before the phosphorus screen. तो जैसे ही हम लोग प्लग ऑन करते हैं या फिर वोल्टेज सप्लाई देते हैं, लोड जो होता है वो उससे इसको हीट मिलती है वोल्टेज सप्लाई करने के बाद. सो कैथोड emits the electrons voltage supply. So electrons emitted by this cathode, and they are splits in narrow way and goes through this different focusing anode, accelerating anode, and they strike on this phosphorus screen. Okay. So this is the in detail description of cathode ray tube. Just we will see the video for this cathode ray tube explanation. I will show you a video. That's why you can understand it properly. There are two plates, horizontal deflection plate and vertical deflection plate. Electrons are made strike the screen with very high velocity. So first one is monochrome display monitor. That is nothing but CRT, cathode ray tube. And we studied different connectors are there. Then control electrodes, focusing electrodes, deflection plates. Then electron beams strikes on the phosphorus coated screen. Then next is color display monitor. So how it works, this color display monitor. So there are two types in this color display monitor. First one is the beam penetration method and second is shadow mask method. Okay, so in your syllabus there is a second method, shadow mask method. In this one, in color display there are three electron guns, red gun, green gun and blue gun. Instead of one, with one electron. Okay, and the phosphorus coating on the inside of the display screen consists of dot patterns. These are the dot patterns of three different types of phosphorus. These phosphorus are capable of emitting red, green and blue light. And the distance between the center of the dot pattern is called the pitch of the CRT. Patterns, this one, called the pitch of the CRT. So means through this shadow mask, through this hole, these electron beams strike with the screen, and that screen is phosphorus, RGB phosphorus dots. In this one, a thin metal screen called, this is the thin metal screen that is called as shadow mask, and it is placed between coating and electron guns. So it is in the middle part it is between the electron gun and the screen. When distance light emitted by these three types of phosphorus, it blends together to give broad range of colors. So this is second type. First is cathode ray tube or monochrome display monitor, and second is color display monitor. This is the second type. Now the next one we will see raster graphic display or raster scan display. Okay, this first display device, a video display device part is over here. Now we go for this raster graphics display, or it is called as raster scan display. So can anybody tell me any example of raster scan display? वो जो एग्जाम्पल है वो आपने बहुत बार यूज किया हुआ है, but you don't know. That is the example of raster scan display. Just a minute. प्रिंटर आपको पता है, आप सब लोगों को प्रिंटर आपने यूज किया है. Do you know about the printer?
Yes, ma'am.
So printer is the example of raster scan display. हमें जो कुछ भी प्रिंट करना होता है पेज के ऊपर, तो फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टॉप side of the page, we will start to scan. Means suppose this is your screen and I want to print this one, so I will start from, and then this type. Means line by line I will display whatever I want to. So printer is the example of raster scan display. Then next one is plotter. What is the difference between printer and plotter? प्रिंटर क्या करता है कि यहाँ से स्टार्टिंग जो हमारा यहाँ पे लेफ्ट टॉप कॉर्नर का ये पिक्सेल है सपोज ये, तो यहाँ से वो एक 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 पिक्सेल को उसके इंटेंसिटी के हिसाब से प्रिंट करता है. ठीक है, फिर यहाँ एंड होने के बाद यहाँ पे मेरा एरिया खत्म हो गया इस कॉर्नर पे. फिर वो पूरे एक एक डॉट जो प्रिंट करना है, डिस्प्ले करना है, वो पेज पे प्रिंट करेगा. बट प्लॉटर इज डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ डिवाइस. उसको आपको एकदम स्टार्टिंग जो यहाँ पे टॉप लेफ्ट कॉर्नर है वहाँ से स्टार्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आपका पिक्चर जो है वो यहाँ. Okay, so this is the raster scan display. Example is printer, and plotter is the vector scan display. Plotter is the example of vector scan display. मतलब डायरेक्टली जो प्रिंट करना है वो वहां से स्टार्ट होगा प्रिंटिंग करना, उसको यहाँ से कॉर्नर से स्टार्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So there may be the question in MCQ. Plotter is example of raster scan display. So it is false. It is an example of vector scan display. Now we will see what is direct view storage tube and plasma panel and vector refresh display. Okay, so you have to remember these are the display device. VRP, DPV. Any method you can use. Just a minute. The next part, that is DVST, Direct View Storage Tool. So what is this DVST? It is much similar to Plotter. So DVST and Plotter are similar, but slight difference between plotters and DVST. Okay. So guys, today I will conclude this lecture now, because some PPTs are not in this particular folder. Today's attendance code is 09. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Use attendance and you can leave.